All right, welcome to another Cloud Minute with CoreVault. Today we're going to actually talk to you about specifically how do you move stuff to the cloud. I think a lot of times when businesses, Raymond, they think about this cloud, whether you're a small business, large business, it can be just overwhelming. You know, how does that happen? I mean, based upon what I'm doing today. So we want to cover some specific areas of what that really means to you about moving to the cloud. So really the first and foremost thing they got to really think about is the partnership, right? We know about business. Partnerships are everything. Talk to us about that, selecting the right partner, Raymond.
Selecting the right partner is probably the most critical element about moving things into the cloud. You have to get a partner that has proven and demonstrated the ability to support you whenever things need to be taken care of.
Okay, so certifications, I mean, staffing's everything, right? They don't know everything behind the scenes of a partner, but they got to be asking those questions, thinking about that. Importance of certification, their staff. Tell me about that.
Absolutely. You know, one of the key elements is to make sure that the partner has demonstrated some sort of capability with their staff members. We're actually a member of the vCloud Powered program, which has requirements behind it. You have to have a certain number of certified people and have to have met these requirements which show that you are capable of doing that.
And that really impacts the back end side of the operations too, does it not? And how they manage that and stuff?
Yes, the back end operations is critical. You know, these certified personnel members are, now capable of supporting the back end infrastructure, keeping the system healthy, and making sure that the availability is there when it needs to be.
And that's obviously going to impact customer migration. We're talking about moving to the cloud, right?
Yes.
All right, so service and support. You're looking at the right partner, certifications. Now let's talk about service and support. What about that?
Service and support is critical. Everybody knows that whenever you need support, you need assistance, you have to be able to get a hold of that person. You've got to make sure that they have 24/7 capabilities and that they're there to support you when you need it.
Okay, network resiliency. We talk about the back end briefly. Tell us about that, what they need to be looking at in a partner.
Resiliency is also important.
Okay.
You need to make sure that your provider has redundant connections to the internet. They have redundancy built into their network, and that their network is capable of supporting high availability systems.
All right, so the hardware platform's got to have the right kind of technologies. All these elements really come into making sure you got the right service level agreement, or SLA, from that standpoint.
Absolutely.
And lastly, if you choose the right partner, make sure you're looking at their track record as far as their history in business. Look for referrals, other opportunities of people that have done business with them and had a good experience. We all know that really means a lot. So right now, step one on moving to the cloud, make sure you select the right partner, because everything else will be impacted by that one very important decision. Thank you very much.